In the heart of an ancient and enchanted forest, there lived a fearsome monster known as Gloomclaw. Legend had it that Gloomclaw was born from the shadows and fed.
I was searching YouTube for Warcraft keywords. This keyword is to search for these Warcraft-related videos, and this type of video is very popular. You see, this video has 29 million views, and this video has 20 million views. So these Warcraft videos are getting a lot of play. Can we make some Warcraft animation related to these story videos? Use YouTube to get views. If your video gets 1,000 plays, we figured it would cost $10 per 1,000 views. 1 million views of the video to calculate. That's $10,000 in income. If it's 10 million views, up to $100,000 in advertising revenue. If we can build such an animation channel, it's bound to attract very high traffic. You can earn advertising through YouTube. Very lucrative advertising revenue. If you want to know, how do you create an anim video like I just did to create your passive income? If you want to know, then come with me.
Hello, I'm Timmy. My channel focuses on sharing ideas about AI making money and the topic of making money online. If you're interested in these topics, so be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and you won't miss my latest share.
First, we go to the front page of the channel. Open the AI toolbox. We come to the AI toolbox. First, write a story. So we use Chat GPT to write the copy of a story. I just need to send one out on Chat GPT. Write about a war related to Warcraft. Build a story writer. If you want some more tips for keywords, you can put it on the title. Then he would have written a more specific story. We can build on this copy to create our animated video. Then the second step, we see the AI toolbox. There's a template for Warcraft on it. Templates for AI to create pictures. We click to register an account. Can see, so we click create the same image. Then we set up an account. So this website, he lets you create the pictures for free, and then we just need to revise it. The content of this passage, from here we see, we just need to replace this paragraph, which is to take every sentence in here. After copying down, paste to the content that replaces this paragraph. Then we click to generate this image. So here he can create this AI picture. And the site also has a lot of template types. You can use all of these models to make the same image. You can click on this post. These are the models created by some netizens. We can choose these types according to what we like. To make different types of animations, you can see the same one on the top right. So just click on this to create the same style. We can create these pictures are the same as his style. And this website, he's 100 points a day to give you free use. So it's completely free to create images. You can create your AI pictures for free. You can see what I just did with the AI. Created this image of the Warcraft. Does it look very much like the image of Warcraft in the game? So you copy and paste from that. You can create a lot of these AI images. Let's go ahead and create all these images. We continue to create it in this way. You can create a lot of these AI images. Next step number 3. We need to take that picture to create an animated video. So we come to AI's toolbox. Find the website that can turn pictures into animations. We just click to create our account. This site is completely free to create your animated videos. And then all we have to do is upload this one image. Click create and upload the image to this website. We just need to upload that picture. Upload to this website. He can do it automatically. Form an animated video. And you can adjust different parameters. Take this picture. Make this picture active in a different way. I can design his different parameters based on this one. Make it longer. You can make it longer or shorter, or adjust his distance to zoom in or out. You can see it moving more. If you look at his pictures, the frequency of this activity can be adjusted here. After adjustment, you can download this video. So there's a download video right here. Download this video. You just have to upload all these pictures, create all these video animations, and then we need to do what we just did. All of these animated videos are uploaded. This is CapCut's free video creation software, and then drag it into. This video is on track. That's all it takes to create a video. Drag it in, and then all we have to do is take that, copy the copy above, and then just add text here. We click on the text, and then I'm going to create add text, and I'm going to paste that in here. We saw that he couldn't paste much because of the limitations of his words. After pasting, we need to convert the text into speech.
In the heart of an ancient and enchanted
forest, there lived a fearsome monster known as Gloomclaw.
In the heart of an ancient and enchanted forest, there lived a fearsome monster.
I just heard this voice and I thought it would be perfect for me to write this story. All I have to do is click to convert that text into speech. Here you can see that the entire voice content has been generated, and this text we can delete. And then you just have to put these videos together, put it on your audio, and we see this picture. We need to adjust, drag it up, or we can clip it to 16:9. Because all of his videos are 16:9, and then we can add some special effects to the video above. You can see here is a special effect added to these templates. There are many types of these special effects above. We can also see that this is a lightning effect. If you want to add to his scary vibe, we can add this lightning effect. It seems like the atmosphere is different. You can also observe which special effect is right for your story. Then all you have to do is click and download the special effect. We also need a scary musical background, so we came to this music library. So we searched. It's a scary type of music. We can also listen to some of the music. I think this is a good one, so I'm going to use this music in the background. Too long content. We just have to come here and cut it off. And this lightning effect, it can also be adjusted to different parameters. Below us, can you see how it works?
In the heart of an ancient and enchanted forest, there lived a fearsome monster known as Gloomclaw. Legend had it that Gloomclaw was born.
Create such an animated video is not very simple, and then when we're done with it, download these videos through the top right corner. We can set it up to download a 4K HD video. I'm gonna download it and upload it to YouTube. You can earn your passive income from the number of streams.
If today's topic, a little bit of help with your idea of making money on AI, I hope you get a free like for this video. If you have any questions or ideas, let me know in the comments section below. If I have the latest idea of AI making money, I will be the first time share with you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.